Hello guys, yeah, welcome to the channel. My name is Kingsley Vincent, and in this video I want to teach you guys how you can spot trade, that is spot trading. And I'll be using Kucoin because that is the major exchange I use, guys. So let's head straight to the video. My role is on the go. So guys, for those of you that don't know what is spot trading is a type of trading that you buy basically low and you sell high. What do I mean by buy low, sell high? In sports, you don't use leverage in sports trading. What you basically use is your money, the money you have in your own account. Let's say you have $10 in your own account and you want to spot trade with it. All you have to do is to get the assets that you want to spot trade with. Like you can see, let me see if my order history is going to be displayed here so that you see what I'm talking about. Good. You see, spot trading is all about when you buy at a very low price, you are going to set your target based on your analysis where you are going to be taking your profit. So these are the spot trade that I've taken on this very account. I basically buy and sell Myro. It's a very simple kind of trading that anyone at all can do. So as you can see now, Myro is dropping. All you have to do, you have to be good with your technical analysis to be good in spot trading as well. You just have to come over to your chart. Let me use this briefly because of the indicators that they have here. You see, these are the ones that I've made, the trade I've made. I bought here, sold here, buy here, sold here. But you understand, that is just what spot trading is. The small gap in the market, you capitalize on it and make profit from that very small gap, guys. So this is one of my coin that I love to trade, Myro, and you can see right now Myro is losing 12%, so it's presenting a good opportunity to buy. And my indicators, moving average 5, showing that it's going down. The highest one, moving average 30, show that we are still in a downtrend. So but based on price action, and I know how this goes, this is a very good price to buy Myro because Myro is at support. And let me take you to trading view to show you why I said Myro is currently trading at support. Yes, let me head over to trading view, guys. So this is my trading view. Let me come to charts. Good. So I'm now on my chart. As you can see what is going on here, this purple box and two, this is my demand zone and this is my take zone. When you get here, all I do is to buy, and currently Myro has gotten to the point of is retracing back. You can see is retracing back. This is support. Actually, let me come and show you. This is playing on the 4-hour time frame, guys. You see what happened? It got to this very point, which is the highest of highs of the recent. This is the very point, that is 0.1. That was the highest. Then it now dropped back to this very point, which is my normal selling point. This is this thing that this at this very price, that is at this point, I usually sell Myro. Then now retrace back. You can on spot trading right now. Once your price gets to this very point, all you have to do is to sell, because if you allow the price to retrace back, it's going to go back with your profits. So you allow it to sell off here, hold your money and be patiently waiting to the price to get to this very point again. That is this very point. You see, it is retracing back, guys. That is 0.05. Then you now buy, join the wagon, patiently wait when you get to this very place. But at this price now, if you are trading this coin, I would say you should buy a very large quantity, because this is a good point to enter. Then you now wait till the point get to currently, depending on the quantity you buy. Even at this very point you can start making profit, but for me, I prefer to sell at this very point. So that is how you spot trade. Spot trading is one of the simplest way that anyone can start making money with with cryptocurrency. It's not as difficult as forex, guys. So, and if you want to spot trade, I would say you should come and use Kucoin, because like people in my country right now, we're having issue. Like yesterday, Binance was giving us problem to log in and all that. They are here to notice Kucoin. A lot of them don't know Kucoin. The government don't really know about Kucoin, and Kucoin is one of the best exchange, guys. So if you don't have account with Kucoin, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. All you have to do is to sign up and get your link, and then start trading, guys. And also, if you want to grow your account, if you have tried and you have failed and you want somebody to teach you how you can grow your account by 10-20% weekly, then there will be a Telegram channel in the description of this video. All you have to do is join the Telegram channel, follow the instruction there. You are not paying for anything. You are not paying for anything at all, and you are going to be in charge of your money. All you are going to be doing is to be following what I'll be telling you to do with your money. I'm going to be responsible for the decision you take with your money. So all you have to just do is to follow whatever I tell you to do, then you now do it. And I promise you, we guarantee that in a week, your portfolio is going to increase by 10-20%. This is what we do for a living, cryptocurrency completely, guys. So this is I want to go through this portrait because this is the easiest way that anyone at all can make money with cryptocurrency. So if you find this video helpful, I'll advise you, if you find this video helpful, I would say you should give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and keep it posted here, guys, because I'll be dropping a lot of good content for you guys on this channel. So thank you and stay blessed.